Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there are good news which is coming here from Accenture and TCS. Accenture has started sending onboarding joining mail, and the next onboarding is on 3rd of Feb 2025. But there are still many of the students who has these queries. Sir, when Accenture upcoming examination will be there? Sir, on campus and off campus exam, what is happening? There are many students who are waiting for joining letter, interview call, or maybe for the assessment, right? So all those things we are going to talk in this video. Also, TCS, right? TCS has again sent the joining letters, onboarding mail, okay? And here you can see, today only we created a group. So group created by official Online Study for You today at 10:02 a.m. Morning. And in Bangalore itself, just a very small data I have taken here, 96 members who are going to join TCS in Bangalore, okay? And the joining dates are 30th of January, you can see here, okay? And some people have joining on 23rd of January. So by March 2025, almost everyone waiting for the TCS joining will be onboarded. And I could still remember the many of them were still laughing like, you will get joining after 4 years, 5 years. Now, these people are getting joining, and not only me, everyone will be happy to see TCS is honoring all the offer letter. Anyway, let us talk about Accenture. So friends, Accenture, earlier also I had made some videos, okay? So Accenture has cancelled, you can say, the hiring process for few months, okay? So it's not like for 2025 batch it is cancelled at all, okay? So Accenture has cancelled or maybe postponed the hiring program for few months. I still remember when I was making the video, many of the people started telling that, sir, why you are spreading rumors? In my college it is happening, in my college it is happening, in my college Accenture is coming, okay? I still remember. But anyway, I know whatever information we provide, once we get certain, information from TPO or from some colleges, then only we do that. So here Accenture is continuing with joining letters. Accenture is continuing with interview results. Accenture is continuing with interviews also. But the new assessment is not happening. Okay. The new assessment is still not happening. So this is one of the joining letter which you can see. We are excited for you to join Accenture. Your first day is scheduled for 3rd of February 2025. Things to do before you join. This mail has been received yesterday at 10:02 p.m. Okay, so log into the action items and all those things you have to do. Countdown to Accenture. Accenture provides a package of 4.5 lakhs per annum. Now, so going to answer all these queries here, friends. So Accenture upcoming examination. So still there is no clue from Accenture that when they will be resuming the hiring process. Okay, so right now they have kept on hold. Okay, and we really don't know when they are going to again start this hiring process, but it will happen. Okay, so after Feb, earlier also, see, it's just a prediction. I'm just predicting from my side, so there is no concrete information as of now. So after Feb, you will be again able to see Accenture assessment starting. Okay, now there is no assessment happening. So even if you have got a mail that you have successfully applied, but you will not be able to write the exam. Then Accenture on campus and off campus, right now both are kept on hold. But if you'll see on Accenture website, still you will be able to apply for all the roles. Okay, so the application, it will be like, all 12 months it will be open. A student waiting for joining letter, yes. So a student waiting for joining letter are getting joining. You saw the mail, right? 3rd of February 2025. A student waiting for interview calls. So a student who are waiting for the interview calls, they are also getting the interview mail and they are successfully giving the interview. But most of them, they are getting rejected. That is what I see. How I come to know, you tell me. Many of the students, they reach via Telegram that, sir, I gave this interview and I got rejected. Sir, my interview was good, but I got rejected. See, that is the only source here. See, my source is you. My source is you. When I talk to multiple people, Based on that only I give you any data. I do not have any contact. I'm telling you, I do not have any contact with any of the HR of the any company, and none of them are having. Okay, a student waiting for the examination, so this will be on hold, and we really don't know when it will be continued. Okay, but we can have a hope that after Feb this might resume. Okay, fine. So TCS, regarding TCS, some days ago I had made a video on TCS that even parents should support their kids, that don't worry, you will definitely get the joining letter from TCS, and the things are happening now. And many of the parents, I am still in touch, and they were really very, very happy that now their son or daughter is going to join for digital role, for prime role. Okay, and they are really getting the joining letter, and many of them are still in that stage that, sir, when my daughter, my granddaughter, my son, my grandson will be getting the joining, they will be getting it soon, don't worry. Now in this January month, 3 times they have done the onboarding. In this January month, 3 times they have done the onboarding. 2 dates are already here, and 1 date I am missing. Okay, so here you see this is date 1, and this is again jail joining letter 13th of okay, OL 3rd of January, fine, 13th Jan joining, and then joining date 23rd of January, and here joining date 30th of January. So 2 date you are able to see here. And one more date I will tell you, because I cannot remember exactly, and I don't want to give you the the false information. So let me go back and see when I had told you earlier. Okay, so I think it was 16th of January sometime, bulk onboarding. Okay, and yeah, so I still the dates, 16th of Jan. So one more date was 16th of Jan. Yes, fine. So in this month itself, 3 times the joining or the onboarding has happened. So friends, things are happening now. I could see when earlier I was uploading the video for TCS joining, some 30,000, 40,000 people were watching. Now 5,000, 6,000 people are watching. So the number are already reducing. From there also you can guess it out. Okay, fine. And this group I created today itself for the Bangalore joining, because in my earlier videos also I had told you, correct, that if you are in Bangalore, if you are facing any problem, in finding out PG, okay, or any problem, see here there is a group of members are there. Till then you don't interact with them. Okay, you understand, okay, if they are joining at Whitefield location, if they are joining at MG Road location, if they're joining in Electronic City, so different places are there. So you need to interact with them, and then only things will become easier. Okay, so here you will know each other in a better way before you join. So that's the reason the group was created. Okay, for other location I have not done, because for other location I do not have much idea. So if you are in Bangalore facing any problem going to join TCS, okay, so what you can do, you can also send us email on this email ID. Okay, onlinestudyforyou.in, or also what you can do, okay, you can join this WhatsApp group if your joining is in Bangalore only. So from all locations now the onboardings are happening. You can see the locations also. So here Bhubaneswar joining happened, location Mumbai. Okay, so joining happened, and then here location Kolkata. No, here joining Bangalore, global access, right? Okay, so different places people are getting your joining dates. So please don't worry about that. Everything is happening, and it will happen. Everybody in TCS, see, that is the reason TCS is one of the most trustable company, one of the most prestigious company. I'm telling you, from day one you can kick out many other companies for TCS, because TCS, Tata is the name of trust. They will never see, you won't meet any person after 3 years or 4 years TCS has not onboarded them. You won't. Okay, so see, brand, right? So Puspa is a brand, TCS, Puspa is a brand now, TCS is a brand from long years, right? Okay, so this is what they have created, the trust among people. So that's the reason I always say go for TCS, blindly go for TCS. Okay, if you have any other opportunities, like if you're waiting for Accenture, and if you have TCS Digital, go for digital. Okay, go for Prime if you have any offer in Infosys for a specialist programmer also, you go for TCS Prime. Okay, so TCS will be always should be your first priority. Thank you, take care, all very best. We'll meet soon in the next video if I have any kind of information.